Hi, I'm Matthias, the developer of CraftSale, and in this video I will show you how to add and configure shops, how to backup and restore them. In CraftSale you can add shops via the option menu. So just by tapping on the plus sign on the toolbar, I can add a new shop, and I have to enter its title first. Typos. For each shop you can configure if its article should hold a description, or if you're fine with going just an article ID, which is required for every article. This article ID or article number can be forced to be unique. If I select this option, I have to enter a different ID for each article, and as if I haven't done that, this article cannot be saved and the repeated ID will be marked as red. In addition, I can select if a shop should have a compact sales report, which is only reflecting the categories, or a detailed one which is also listing the articles themselves. Article lists can be extracted or exported into HTML files, and I can select per shop which article attributes or properties should be included into this HTML table. And I can just toggle the switches, for example, to exclude the description and the price or something like that. At the bottom of the shop properties you see a couple of pick lists for article sizes, colors, patterns, etc. And each of these pick lists has a default item which cannot be deleted, but here you can add additional items you need, for example an additional size. You can also add the size later on if you're adding an article and each size or its color is not already existing in the pick list. You can add it there, or you can also reorder pick lists or delete items if you need to. So I could now discard all changes and the new shop by tapping on cancel, of course. I'll just save it and it will add it to my list of shops. By the check mark I can see which shop is currently selected, and the current shop can be backed up into a zip file by tapping on the right toolbar item and then select backup current shop. The shop will include all attributes, all articles, all lists, etc. And I have the opportunity to directly switch now to Apple's Files app and save this backup file to a secure location. At the moment I will just cancel it to stay in CraftSale. And if later on I need to restore a shop backup, I can use exactly the same toolbar item. Using the second item there, restore a shop backup. And now I'm taken into the local CraftSale directory and I can pick a backup file either there, or I can move to a different location and pick a different backup file. Just by tapping the file, it will be restored into CraftSale. And as you can see, it will have its original title, but added with some timestamp when the backup was taken. I could just tap on this shop to make it the current one, and then I have selected a different shop and can work on its articles there. If I like to delete a shop, I use exactly the same location where the shop list is provided, and I will just either tap on the edit button, you know that from iOS apps, or I will swipe to the left for a shop, select delete, and there's a confirmation, because when I'm deleting a shop, of course, all included articles and lists will be deleted too. So that's about shops, how to add a new shop, how to change it, how to back up and restore and delete shops. Please enjoy testing CraftSale, and of course I would appreciate your feedback, a rating or even a review in Apple's App Store.